last year I made more than $1,000, actually $1,300. And as you can see, I started this program on June, and this June I made just $18. Then July I moved up to $100, August 174, September 148, October 171. As from November, that's when things kicked up. November I made 200 and December was 430. As you can see, guys, in a matter of months, I'm already making substantial income with the Amazon Influencer Program, considering the fact that most businesses take about a year to kick off. But with the Amazon Influencer Program, it took just a matter of months. That same month I started, guys, I started making money. The same month I started in June. So as you can see, this is the easiest business model you can start. It does not require any experience, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how Amazon Influencer Program works. So if you're interested in watching everything, I recommend you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications and leave your comments in the comment section below. So let's get started. In the last video, someone asked how the Amazon Influencer Program works for the best practices for the first 3 videos. So I'm also going to be covering that in this video. Let's go. Exactly is the Amazon Influencer Program. The Amazon Influencer Program is a program where you recommend products and you get commissions from it. It's very easy to get started. As you can see right here, this is an Amazon Influencer. You have access to live, you have access to upload videos and get commissions from it. For example, if I purchase this product right here, it's $799. I get a commission from it. So let's take a look at her store and see how it's functioning. As you can see right here, it says earns commission. So this person earns commission from all of these products that the person is recommending right here. You can even host a chat live. You can talk with the person. So let's just take a look at this person's store.
This is the last thing that I have.
So click here to see view my storefront. So this is an example of an influencer profile. They have the image, profile image, they have the banner, they have the social media platforms linked right here, and they have the description. So these are various. As an influencer, you can upload photos, you can upload idea lists, you can upload videos and live streams. Live streams is something I've never done because I'm not interested in it. But you also have access to do lives, just like this person is doing right here. The reason why I don't like doing lives is because you need to have an iPhone. Although I have an iPhone, I'm just not interested in it. So lives specifically wants you to make use of an iPhone. So in the future, maybe I'll consider it, but for now, I only make videos and photos. I don't do a lot of photos. I do mostly videos because I've seen that I'm getting more success with videos. So these are various videos that someone can make. As you can see, the lengths are less than, most of them are less than 1 minute. Although some people recommend that your video should be more than 1 minute, I recommend that your videos are less than a minute, especially if you want to sign up for the Amazon Influencer Program. You need to upload 3 videos. Your first 3 videos needs to be less than 1 minute. And let's take, for example, let's open this one. Your videos need to focus on the product. As you can see right here, the image or the focus is directly on the product. And for your first 3 videos, I recommend that at least one of the videos should have your face in them so that your face can match your social media accounts. Let's take a look at that. Because as you can see right here, this video is the vertical format, because some people are wondering if it's a vertical or horizontal format. Generally speaking, from my experience, if you want to upload longer videos which are more than 1 minute, I recommend you do the horizontal layout. This vertical layout is meant for videos that are specifically less than 30 seconds because they go to Amazon Inspire. But if you want to do longer videos, I recommend you do vertical format, vertical video format. As you can see, this video is less than 30 seconds, is 80 seconds, and they're doing it for the Inspire, and it's in the vertical format. So she's doing it correctly. This is what we should learn from. Let's take a look at the longer video and see what format you look at. This one right here is more than 1 minute. Let's take a look at it. And she's still doing it in the vertical format. So this is what I do not recommend at all, because I do not recommend this because Amazon will not put this video in Inspire if it's more than 30 seconds. So you can as well put it in the horizontal format. So that's about it, about the best practices for the videos. The next thing is talking about how the Amazon Influencer Program works. So I know a lot of people get confused between the Amazon Influencer Program and the Amazon Affiliate Program. Those are two different programs. The Amazon Influencer Program is an extension of the Amazon Affiliate Program. With the Amazon Influencer Program, you get social media. You can log in, you can apply with your social media. But with the Amazon Affiliate Program, you don't have to apply with your social media profile. You can apply with your blogs. Maybe if you're a blogger, you can apply with your blogs. But to be an influencer, you must have a following on social media, which is a requirement. So that is the main difference. But with the Amazon Affiliate Program, just like the Amazon Affiliate Program, as an influencer, you can also get commissions just like affiliates do. So that's the main difference. One thing that I noticed from looking at this account is that they do a lot of images, like they crop a lot of products and put it on one image and recommend it. Let's take, for example, this one right here. You see a bunch of products on one page. You can actually do this using Canva. It's very easy to do, and they get commissions from these guys. So if this goes to Inspire, and if someone goes on Inspire and sees this image and they purchase a product from this, they get a commission from it. So it's not all about videos. You can also make images like this and you get commissions from it. So Valentine's Day is coming up, and right now there's a ton of Valentine images that are on Inspire, and people just take a look at an image, and the image is still, and you see a lot of products like this. If someone likes, they get inspired by your image and they purchase it, you get a commission from it. So it's not all about videos. Images to work, whatever works your boat. But I do mostly videos because that's what I've seen that is the best, because videos get under the product descriptions. Once the person views your video and makes a purchase, you get a commission from it, as opposed to images that they must click and purchase before you get a commission. So that's the main difference. That is why I focus mostly on videos, because they get on the product pages, but images don't get on the product pages. That's the main difference. So I was thinking to start reviewing people's influencer pages, those who want to get on the Amazon Influencer Program and they can't get through the 3 videos that I recommended. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should start making videos reviewing those pages, recommending what you should do or what you should not do? Let me know in the comment section below if you think that is something you are interested in, submitting your influencer page for a review. If you're interested in that, or maybe knowing why your videos are not getting improved, I was thinking about doing that. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comment section below. One reason I love the Amazon Influencer Program is because there is a restriction. That means you must qualify before you get into it. So that means that not many people are into it. Like, it's not as flooded as Amazon merch. I was doing an Amazon merch before, but it's so flooded right now. But that is not the case for Amazon influencing. And take a look at this product, guys. It's cost $129, over 250 ratings. And if you scroll down, you see just two Amazon influencing. Actually, this one is by the seller. This is the seller's video. But right here is an Amazon influencer's video. When you click it, it says here earns commissions. That means it's an influencer. So take a look at this, guys. This is just incredible. So many sellers are on Amazon. That means you have a huge potential for making money with Amazon. Any video you upload, you can get a commission if someone watches that video and purchases it. This is just one influencer on this product page, guys. So you can imagine all these, just imagine all the sale of all these necklaces. She gets a commission from all these sales, because it's just one person that is here right now. It's not, this other person is by the seller. This is the seller's video. The seller does not make a commission from it. If you click on it, it's just normal. You don't see any earns commission from there. But this one right here, this is an influencer. It says earns commission. So as I've watched this video like this, right, and I go up and purchase this necklace, this person gets a commission. So there's a huge number of Amazon products, millions of Amazon products. That means there's an infinite number of opportunities for you to make commissions with just by placing your videos on the product listing. So you can see it's very easy, guys. And this necklace just costs $129. Just imagine getting like let's say $5 commission from $129 from the purchase of this necklace. So this is a very great opportunity, guys. I recommend you get into it. It's very easy to make passive income with this, as I just showed you guys. It's not too late to start doing it. I started mine just last year, just barely 6 months ago, and I'm already making passive income. So if you're interested in learning more about Amazon influencing, leave your questions in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about how to make money online, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. See you on the next one.